I'm using 3 sweet potatoes. We're gonna peel them, and we're gonna dice them. Filleting, as I call it, a red pepper. This is how you end up with no seeds on your board. It's easier when you're cutting things to do all the same motion at a time. And then an onion. Go straight down the top, right there. To our nice little dice. So we have our sweet potatoes, our red pepper, and our diced red onion. Olive oil, salt, pepper, and our smoked paprika for our smoky sweet potato hash. So this is my big secret with this sweet potato hash. It's red wine vinegar. Just a little bit across here. And look at this, it's just gorgeous.